This is an educational training video about how to check the dishwashing machine on a cruise ship to ensure it is operating properly, including the following steps. Step 1. Pre-operation inspection, tanks filled. Visual inspection of all compartments. Water supply and tanks check. Detergent and drying agent dosing lines. Machine cleanliness. Step 2. Operational checks, machine in use. Step 3. Verify the displayed water temperatures. Step 4. Functional evaluation. Step 5. Post-operation inspection, troubleshooting notes. This video is part of Task 7.4, developed by the Horizon Europe project Healthy Sailing. Step 1. Pre-operational inspection, tanks filled. Make a visual inspection. Check machine exterior for visible signs of damage, leaks or corrosion. Observe the mounted data plate and write the minimum values for wash and rinse tank temperatures, conveyor speed or transit time, final rinse pressure and manifold temperature. Open all side panels and observe if curtains are in good condition and positioned properly, then remove them. Inspect the conveyor track alignment and that the lower and upper rinse and final rinse spray nozzles are in place, without particles blocking inside. Assess the water supply. Check that the water supply valves to the machine are open and a full water level is present in the pre-wash, wash and rinse tanks. Inspect detergent and rinse aid. Look inside each container to see that there is a sufficient level of liquid or solid detergent and rinse aid solution inside. Verify that the dosing tubes or pipeline to the detergent and drying agent extend into the liquid and are not leaking or restricted by blockage. Evaluate cleanliness of the machine. Inspect interior of machine for debris buildup in the tank water, mineral salts along panels or spray arms and nozzles present from previous operating cycle. Step 2. Operational checks, machine in use. Perform in-use or functional tests on dishwashing machines only when they are in active use. Observe the mounted thermometers on the machine exterior, and write down the values displayed for pre-wash tank, wash tank, rinse tank, pressure of final rinse, and manifold temperature of final rinse. Compare each value to the earlier recorded values specified on the machine data plate. Transit time is the time for a rack to move from the entry to the exit of the machine, while conveyor speed is the time for a rack to move a specified distance on the conveyor. Place an empty rack into the machine, then start a timer as the rack is pulled by the conveyor. Remove the rack at the distance used and record the time to determine the conveyor speed. Compare this value to the recorded value from the data plate. The machine is operating properly if the time is equal to or more than the required speed specified on the data plate. Step 3. Verify the displayed water temperatures. Begin by evaluating the plate level final rinse hot water temperature. The thermometer used must be a maximum registering type and be regularly verified for accuracy in accordance with the ship's calibration policy. Verification should include routine checks using an ice water bath or comparison with a certified reference thermometer. Reset the thermometer. If the thermometer is not waterproof, protect the thermometer with a waterproof case. Set the thermometer on a dish rack or attach to a plate in the rack. Push the rack into the machine until the conveyor pulls it forward. As the rack moves through the machine, look at the front upper exterior for the mounted final rinse pressure gauge. The needle should fall between 15 and 25 psi. Open the cover and record the maximum value displayed on the thermometer and the final rinse pressure. The target for this dish temperature is greater than or equal to 71 degrees Celsius or 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Stop the machine and open the exterior panel doors to verify that none of the spray from previous compartments resulted in the maximum temperature. Reset the thermometer, insert into each tank and record the maximum temperature reached. The test is valid if all tank temperatures are below the rack test maximum temperature. If any exceed it, perform an isolation test on the final rinse. This process verifies the tank water temperatures shown on the thermometers or digital display, and that there is soap in the wash tank. Step 4. Functional evaluation. Stop machine and remove curtains. Then close all doors and start machine to observe interior spray nozzles, spray patterns for blockage or flow as racks are passed through. View racks and conveyor for stalls, feed problems and over-racking of dishware. Step 5. Post-operations troubleshooting notes. If isolation of final rinse is needed, the test can be made by either placing the rack only in the final rinse compartment of the machine, or clipping the thermometer to a long stick to hold in the final rinse spray. Look for soap residue in the wash section and tank to verify it's reaching that section, or that the detergent container requires refilling. Look for steam exiting the machine and condensing on the deck head above and dripping water to the machine, dishware, counters or deck below. Thank you for watching this educational training video about ensuring proper dishwashing machine operations on a cruise ship, which is part of the Task 7.4 developed by the Horizon Europe project Healthy Sailing.